My name is Kylie. I'm majoring in both finance and construction management, and I'm originally from Portland, Oregon. Why Boise State? I never initially pictured myself here, but when I came to visit and did the campus tour, I just fell in love with everything that Boise has to offer. From the campus community and being here with a bunch of college students, to the city right across the river, to the mountains completely surrounding us. There's so much to do here, so many people to meet and connections to make, and I just absolutely love being here. What initially drew me to construction management was actually the program that Boise State offers here. I got a piece of advice from a family member when I was first starting college to just take a class in something that isn't related to my major at all. And so I took a construction class, and I really enjoyed the professor I had and the connections that I made with the students that were in the class with me, and it kind of got the ball rolling for where I am today. Now being here in construction after a couple of years, I so enjoy getting to be on really cool projects like this one, the North End Zone, and seeing things happen from start to finish is so rewarding. Working on this project definitely feels like a full circle moment. I'm very lucky to have made some connections with Anderson, the company I'm with now, to kind of get that internship. And being here as a Boise State student, it's a little bit of a bragging rights to all my friends, but also getting to be a part of campus and say that I worked on it and I was hands-on here is something that I'll look back on forever. There have been so many learnings for me. This was my first ground-up project, so just seeing my first big concrete pour, watching structural steel go up, all sorts of things were new to me. I think one moment that really sticks out was getting to climb the crane for the first time. It was a little bit less scary than I thought it would be, but definitely being, 7, 8 stories up, just feeling the wind in your face, looking down at the stadium and looking down at the project is such an incredible feeling. My what's next is pretty open-ended still. I want to take some time to travel and explore the world and give myself a little break from all the school and the work that I've been doing. But I love being here in Boise, and I hope that, I end up back here at some point and in this industry, which has been so welcoming to me.